Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete a Vercel project from the web dashboard. Start by selecting the correct team from the team switcher at the top of your Vercel dashboard. Once you've confirmed the right team is selected, click on the project you want to delete from your project list. The project's individual dashboard will open. In the sidebar on the left, click Settings. The General tab will load by default. Scroll down to the bottom of the General page until you see the Delete Project section with its warning text and delete button. Click the delete button. A delete project dialog will appear. In the first text field, type the exact name of your project. In the second field, type the confirmation phrase, delete my project. The continue button will become enabled once both fields are filled. Click continue, the dialog closes, you're redirected to your team dashboard, and the project is removed from your list. One important note, this deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Deleting the project also removes all deployments, domains, environment variables, and every other resource associated with it. Double check you've selected the correct project before confirming. That's it. Thanks for watching.